to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Tawa Paneer. This recipe is so simple to make and it tastes so good, and you can make this during a busy weeknight and it just comes together in just 25 minutes and it tastes so good. Now let me show you how to make it. You're going to need 12 ounces of paneer, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and half teaspoon of salt, 1 onion that's sliced, 1 bell pepper that's cubed, 1 tomato that's chopped, 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic, and 1 green chili that's chopped, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, and some cilantro for garnish. Let's start by marinating the paneer. Add in the yogurt to the paneer and also the spices, which is the turmeric, Kashmiri chili, garam masala, and salt. Make sure to stir this so that the paneer is coated really well with the spices and yogurt. Now let's head over to the stove and fry this paneer. Place the tawa or a pan on medium heat and add in about a tablespoon of oil. Fry the marinated paneer till it's golden brown, and this should take about 2 minutes. And make sure to stir the paneer around. Once the paneer is golden brown and it's been about 2 minutes, remove the fried paneer from the pan. And in the same pan, pour in the other tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is hot, add in the ginger, garlic, and green chili. You can also use ginger garlic paste instead. And saute this for about 30 seconds to a minute. Make sure to not burn the ginger and garlic, and if you have to, you can lower the heat as well. Add in the onions and saute till the onions become translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add in the tomato and bell pepper and saute for about 5 to 6 minutes so that the tomato and bell pepper is cooked down. Now it's time to add in the spices, which are the Kashmiri chili, coriander, cumin, salt, and pepper. Saute for about 1 to 2 minutes till the raw flavor of the spices are gone. And pour in the 2 tablespoons of water and give this a quick stir, and let the water cook down a little. When the water is cooked down a little, add in the fried paneer and stir till the paneer is coated really well. Sprinkle in some cilantro and give this a quick stir. And the tawa paneer is ready to serve. You can also serve this with rice, bread, naan, or chapati. I love to make this dish during a busy weeknight so that I can have a simple yet delicious dinner. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes, and make sure to check out my other recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!